Hi guys, welcome back to our dashboard series. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a prototype interaction between the status tabs and their connecting tables. So when I click on this pending tab, it switches to this, so we can be able to see just the list of all the pending invoices. Then when I click on overdue, it's going to bring out a table of overdue invoices, same with paid invoices as well. We already have our status tabs designed. I'm going to call this particular screen all. Then I'm going to make a duplicate of this page. So this is going to be pending. At this point, I'm going to switch the active state from all to pending. Then I'm going to make another duplicate. So our active state is going to be overdue. Then I'm going to copy this inactive state of pending. Then I'm just going to come here and paste to replace. Then I'm also going to make another duplicate. This one is going to be named paid. I'm just going to select this, then switch it over with this. I'm going to call this paid. I'll call this overdue. So what we need to do now is that we need to start changing the status bar for each of them except for all. Since our active state is pending for this particular screen, I'm going to change all the status situation to pending. Paste to replace. So everything switches over to pending. Then for overdue, I'm going to do the same as well for the status badge. I'll highlight all our status badges except for overdue. Then I'm going to paste to replace. I'll also do same for paid. I'll just switch all our badges to paid. We need to make it more realistic, right? Because if the badges and the status situation are changing, that means the amount and the client name, the invoice number, due date and issue date could be changing as well. They can't all be the same, so that when we're prototyping it, it can look like really realistic, right? So I'm just going to go ahead to change it to just switch them up. So I'm done switching up some of the details of the table. So I'm just going to head over to our prototype section. On each of the screens, I'm going to select every inactive pending and then connect it to our active pending, which is this particular screen. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to highlight this as well. I'm also going to highlight this. So that is complete. Then I'm just going to drag it to this particular page, which is the pending page. I'm just going to set it to instant. Then I'll do same for the rest of them. I'm going to select overdue. While holding down the shift key on my keyboard, I'm going to select this. I'm also going to select this one. So while they are all selected, I'm going to drag them from wherever they are to this particular screen, which is our overdue screen. I'm just going to set it to instant. Then I'm also going to do same for paid. I'm going to select this paid tab. I'm also going to select this one. I'll select this one. Then I'm going to drag the three of them to our paid screen. Select the all tab, then hold down my shift key. Select it here as well. Select it here. So this is the active state of all tab. So I'm going to now drag the three of them to this particular screen. So our animation is also going to be set to instant. So I'm going to select the all page, which is our starting point. Then I'm going to click on present so that we can see a preview of what we've connected and prototyped so far. So when I click on pending, our table switches from all to the pending table, showing us all the details of the invoices that are pending. Then when I click on overdue, it does the same thing as well. When I click on paid as well, we can as well see it here. So when I switch tabs, you can see how it's not just the status badges that are changing, but I just like the fact that the invoice numbers, the client names, the amounts are also changing. So we've come to the end of this video, and I hope that you learned something today. If you have questions or any concerns at all, do let me know in the comment section.